Good afternoon, welcome to Jack and Bea's wedding. We would like to request all the guests to please settle down and take your seats at the ceremony area. For the members of our entourage, principal sponsors, bridesmaids and groomsmen, you may now proceed at the back for our processional march. We will start in 10 minutes. Thank you. Again, good afternoon and welcome to Jack and Bea's wedding. We would like to request all the guests now to please settle down at the ceremony area. You may now take your seats. For those members of the entourage, principal sponsors, bridesmaids and groomsmen, you may now proceed at the back for our processional march. Thank you. Okay, we would like to call, mag-roll call po tayo kasi medyo marami tayo. We will call the best man please. Best man, here po. The groom, Jeff, here. The parents of the groom please. Magulang po ng ating groom, dito po tayo sa likod. Parents of the groom. Magulang po ng ating groom. Okay, for our principal sponsors, Admiral Robert and Pedrad, and Mrs. Jacinta and Pedrad. Vice Admiral Giovanni Carlo Bacordo and Mrs. Noven Abeliana. Lahat po ng mga abay na babae, lalaki, sa bandang likuran po tayo. Okay, Vice Admiral Giovanni Carlo Bacordo and Mrs. Noven Abeliana. Okay, Vice Admiral Alfonso Torres and Mrs. Josie R. Almero. Mrs. Josie R. Almero. Okay, Rear Admiral John Anthony Orbe and Mrs. Maria Celeste Orbe. Colonel Richard Steele and Captain Lily Rose Steele. Colonel Richard Steele and Captain Lily Rose Steele. Captain Lemar de la Calzada and Mrs. Sharon de la Calzada. Captain Remuel Hardinero and Mrs. Brenda Hardinero. Captain George Vicente Agana Jr. and Mrs. Adela Agana. Captain Edwin Cordova and Mrs. Sinaida Ruiz. Sinaida Ruiz. Commander Carlo Marcelo, Mrs. Ronnie Marcelo. Officer Paterno Sabado and Mrs. Nora Balawi. Master Chief Petty Officer Amiel Cabalbag and Mrs. Wen Natividad Rugaya. Honorable Edsel Losanida and Mrs. Monica P. Hernandez Losanida. Mr. Godofredo Mortel, Mrs. Gemaline P. Mortel. Ensign Edwin P. Diglasan, retired, and Mrs. Gina Diglasan. Pastor Michael Custodio and Mrs. Eunice Custodio. Mr. Jeffrey Dowds and Mrs. Sophie Catherine Dowds. Mr. Roger Swartz and Mrs. Edith Swartz. Mr. Roger Swartz and Mrs. Edith Swartz. Ensign Leslie Compus, retired, and Mrs. Emerentia Aspirin. Mr. Roman Estelione and Mrs. Michelle Estelione. Mr. Romel Alok, Mrs. Yoni Alok. Mr. Francis Titura and Pastor Felix Cabulo. Mr. Francis Titura